All right, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. Happy New Year's to you all. And I want to share with you all, if you don't know already, I will be giving away my fully custom built Honda Ruckus GY6 swapped 150cc motor. I'll have all of the information in the link down in the description. If you live in Hawaii or Alaska, you're excluded, but if you do win, the bike will be shipped directly to your house. Good luck to all. I told myself in the new year, 2024, I'm gonna build some motorcycles and raffle them away, so that's what we're gonna be doing. Once again, click the link down in the description or click the tag that you see on the screen now. And then of course, as you can tell by the title, we're gonna be installing the BarkBuster guards. I ordered the wrong ones, and yeah, don't make that mistake. Luckily, I was able to send them back, no problem, got all my money back. We're gonna be taking the factory Honda knuckle busters or knuckle guards off. If you're interested in these, all the hardware shipped to you. I'll do $110. I don't need them at all. So let me go ahead and get all of this hardware off, and then I will show you guys the packaging and what all comes with the BarkBuster kit. And also, I'll have a link down in the description to the very correct one to order. And then with that being said, I got the Storm BarkBuster guards. I think they're gonna give us the most coverage and, you know, to block the wind for our hand. One other thing before we get into the install, I wanna thank you all so much for 500 members on my Honda Transalp Facebook page. If you're interested in joining that, I'll have a link down in the description as well. All right, so once you have your factory bar ends out, and I went ahead and removed the mirror, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna take your supplied guard, long screw, weight, flat surface towards the screw, and then you have your spacer here. So we'll go ahead and make that up to the handlebar. Okay, and then this is a 4mm. So I have a 4mm T-handle. I'm just gonna get this started so it can kind of support and brace itself. And then what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna take the clutch and loosen it up on the handlebar, and then you wanna slide it closer to your buttons over here on the left-hand side. Super simple. I believe those are 8mm. Yep, those are 8mm. And then off camera, I went ahead and moved everything over on the handlebars themselves. And just a note, because I forgot to say it earlier, these BarkBusters came from Pacific Power Sports. Okay, so next up, you're gonna take, this is the piece that gets attached to the handlebars themselves. Small screw goes on top, slide it in here. You may have to move a little bit of the wiring down and out some. So I'm just gonna get this started, and then I'll show you guys the rest of it. This has got to be, I think this is more simple to install these BarkBusters than it was the OEM Honda levers themselves, or the knuckle guards. Okay, get that all lined up. And then remember, this piece, it curves up like that. So you want to go ahead and get this loosely set in place. And then along, whoops, I think I dropped the bottom. And just remember, the longer bolt does go onto the bottom. So there's a difference in size there. All right, so once you have that somewhat tight, you're gonna take your supplied longer bolt and send it through the guard right here, and then that is a 5mm that you're going to use to tighten the guard to the handlebar clamp. And then you want to make sure, once you have this all set, you want to go back and check for your clearances, full lock this way, and then full lock, because you do want to be leery of the dash. So let me get everything tightened, and then we'll install the actual plastic BarkBuster knuckle guard, whatever you want to call it. Okay, next up, we're going to be installing the BarkBusters Storm guards. Those are the ones that I elected to get. And just keep in mind, these are the, you know, the dual mounting points. So in the hardware, of course, you get this, and then you get your screws and your tabs. You're going to take your fat screw, and then it's literally, you know, there's a spot on the bar for you to go ahead and get it, you know, fixed. So what we're going to do is we're going to get this semi-tight, and then when you come inside the handlebar, you have a black piece like this, and then it can only go one way, and then you'll have your two black screws that are going to go in there. Let me get everything zipped up, and I'll show you guys on the back side of the handlebar. All right, so there you have it. There is the guard is now mounted on. I zip tied the clutch lever out of the way so I can get my screwdriver in there. So I'm going to go back, double check, make sure everything's tight, put the mirror on, and then now it's time to move on the other side. Should be rinse and repeat. I'd say an hour tops for this total install. Super simple and straightforward. Okay, so on to the other side. The only thing you're going to do different on this side is you're going to use the supplied, comes with a washer. So just like on the other side, skinny bolt, flat side here, washer here, spacer here, and then let's go ahead and get this bad boy. We'll get this one loosely adjusted as well, and then we need to loosen the brake cylinder on the perch to get the guard to slide down in between the two, and then you'll tighten it back up. So let me get this loose, get the guard, get the handlebar mount on, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, so once you get everything set up and behind this perch here, go ahead and tighten everything back down. Go ahead and tighten this. I got everything kind of loosely tightened, and then I'm going to go ahead and tighten our screw here like on the other side, get everything nice and secure up here, and then we'll install the BarkBuster storm guard. Okay, so just like we did on the other side, I'm going to start with the big tabbed screw. Let's get everything lined up. This one needs to be, all right, so we need to move this in just a hair. There's our spot. Let's get our big screwdriver. Push this back this way. Get that one started. All right, and then we'll move on to the back side of the handlebar, or the guard I should say, and install this plastic piece with the two supplied screws. Okay, there you have it. The BarkBuster on this side is now done. So let's walk over here. I want to get some white stickers for it. I believe. I don't know what I'm going to get on there. Maybe like my handle or something like that. So yeah, Pacific Power Sports came in clutch with the BarkBusters. The only thing I don't like is I wish I had another set in here to tighten. I mean, it's still pretty tight, but I feel like if I had that another plastic piece here with those two screws, I may try to 3D print something because I looked through everything. There's nothing else, and you know, the same thing on this side as well. So I think I'm gonna 3D print something, get everything secured. So yeah, like I said, maybe an hour tops to do this. And just a reminder, if you're new here, my Transalp Facebook group, it'll be linked down in the description as well. And then I'm also getting rid of the knuckle guards, the Honda OEM knuckle guards, 110 bucks shipped to you. And then we also have the SE Project exhaust sitting here in the garage. Can't work because of the SW Motec bag. So I'd like to get rid of that as well. I think I said 750, not 750, 700 shipped to your house. But once again, if you are interested in potentially having this in your garage, the link will be down in the description as well. Remember, if you're Hawaii or Alaska, you're going to be excluded. But good luck to everybody who enters. And that's going to be all the time we have for today's video. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. Leave this video a big thumbs up. Even if you didn't like today's video, leave it a big thumbs up. Turn on your post notifications, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.